Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see how to handle HTTP GET response. Package main have a function. The main function as http.handle func list of countries. http.listen and self. You can give a port 880 common. You can give any other ports. If error not equals to null, we can say log of fat. We can have our function list of countries and say http your sponsor item URL. We can go to a website. And since we want to name all the countries, let's take this. We can have a response http.get URL. If error not equals to nil, log.item defer response body say response data we are going to use IU to read all response dot body. If error not equals to null, response string response string. And we would need to create an HTML. So let's call it as abcd.html. Form method to post. You can say input name equals to name, type equals to text, value equals to, you can copy this, input type equals to submit, value equals to submit. to run main dot. Let's see, localhost 8. So it listed all the countries. So this is a very simple example of how to handle HTTP GET response. So guys, if you like my video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.